as we conclude another captivating journey into the world of shabby chic style home decorating ideas. I want to express my deepest gratitude for having you here. I hope this video has kindled your imagination and set your creativity on fire, inspiring you to turn your living space into a sanctuary teeming with cherished memories and dreams. If this enchanting adventure has touched your heart, don't hesitate to hit that like button. Your click is like sharing a piece of your soul with us, which truly brightens our day. And if you're as passionate about the magic of home decoration as we are, I invite you to become part of our wonderful community by hitting that subscribe button. Remember, your home is a blank canvas waiting for your unique story to unfold. Shabby chic style isn't just about decor. It's about curating an environment filled with nostalgia and genuine warmth. Until we embark on our next video, my fellow dreamers, continue decorating with boundless love and devotion. I can hardly wait to welcome you back in our next video, where the magic of shabby chic awaits. Take care and goodbye.